There's two monarchs right over here. There's one there. I saw another one. A couple other different butterflies that are cool too. Very pretty, very pretty. They're everywhere. Love them yellow flowers. Oh, I wish there was more of them blue ones. I like that. Ah, here's a good look at him. Going ham, going ham. Going ham in the ham. Ham stands for hard as a mother. But I live outside of Effingham, so it makes it extra cool. Ah! Dork. There. I'm your host, LAB. We got to turn it off. It's getting hot if you can't see. Got to turn her off.